Hey!
It's Mary.
It's Summer.
And we're gonna do the hot sauce challenge. Woo.
The chili pepper.
Alright, so we put some hot sauce in some medicine cups. I'm just gonna fill mine up a little bit more, which is right here.
It's chili peppers.
Chili pepper hot sauce.
At least this is.
Oh gosh.
At least it's not the hottest in the world.
I know, that's true. You guys ready? You ready?
No.
I know, me neither.
Smell it. What else? I just want to smell it.
I know, just smelling it. Oh.
You guys don't know how bad this is.
Oh my gosh, that was awful. Ugh, that was awful.
Ew.
Ugh.
I'm never doing this again.
Hey guys, you requested some more burps.
Oh, I suck at this.
Here's some more. You guys are awesome.
Bye guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos.